Now we have the sum of two numbers is 8 and their product is 15. Find the numbers. Now if you look at this number, this is a word problem leading to simultaneous equation. Let's get that to it. So the sum of two numbers, let's say the two numbers are x. Let's say the two numbers are x. Okay, let's write down the solution. So the two numbers are x and y. The sum of the two numbers is 8 and their product is 15. The sum of the two numbers, that is x plus y, is 8 and their product is 15. So now let's solve this. Now say we are making x subject formula from equation 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we are using starting from equation 1, we have x. From equation 1 we have x equals 8 minus y. Then we now have to substitute x into equation 2. We now have what yet? This now becomes 8. This now becomes 8 minus y bracket y equals 15. So open up the bracket, we have 8y minus y squared equals 15. Then this one crosses over, we have 8y minus y squared minus 15 equals 0. Then now let's rearrange this. Now in rearranging this, we have here y squared minus 8y plus 15 equals 0. So what are the two numbers that can factorize this? Because here now we have to do what? We have to factorize this. So what are the two numbers that can go with this factorization? The two numbers that, if you have to multiply y squared and 15, we have 15y squared. Then here we have minus 8y. So the numbers we are looking for here are numbers that when we multiply those numbers, we have 15. We have positive 15, but when we add or subtract them, we have 8. And if you look at those two numbers now, those two numbers are, let's see, the factors of 15, we have 3 and 5. Those numbers are 3 and 5. Now, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 plus 5 is 8. So let's say each of them have minus. That means minus 3 minus 5 will give us minus 8. The minus 3 times minus 5 will give us 15. So here we have y minus 3. Here we have y minus 5. So we now have here to be what? Y minus 3 equals 0, or y minus 5 equals 0. So y equals 3 or y equals 5. So these are the two numbers. So we've gotten y as 3, the two values of y. So let's say we substitute the y, values of y into equation 1. We take it back to equation 1. Now that means when y is 3, when y is equals to 3, let's see, here we have x plus 3 equals 8. X will give us 3. 8 minus 3, x will give us 5. That's when y is 3. Now let's see the next one. When y is 5, now we have x plus 5 equals 8. X equals 8 minus 5. X equals 3. So we now have when y equals 3, when y equals 3, x equals 5. And when y equals 5, x equals 3. Thank you.